You're watching Yale High School Studio News.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Logan Rhodes. Thank you for joining us today on this fantastic Friday morning.
And I'm Nathan Hart. Today is November 14th. On this day in 1896, the hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls began operation. It was the first large-scale altering current, or AC, plant in the world.
The canned food drive is picking up as the week goes on, and we are having much more success. Mr. Mank's class with 76 cans total, about 4.5 per student, is currently in first place for the pizza party. In second place for the donut party, we have Miss Satera with 17 cans total, about 2.5 per student. Make sure to bring in your cans.
If you are a member of the art club, there will be a blue jean painting during girls starting Thursday, November 20th. Bring a pair of blue jeans and the paint will be provided for you.
As most of you may know, opening day of gun season starts tomorrow. We talked to Micah Cowie for more.
All right, so tomorrow's the opening day. I got this big 14-point on my cams that I've been waiting to get all year. It's been sitting there. I've been baiting like crazy. So I'm looking to go out there Saturday morning, pop them, get the trophy, and walk out of there.
We interviewed Travis Oljanek about Newton's 3 laws in physics class.
All right, so I'm in Mr. Burst's physics class. We've been learning about forces and Newton's 3 laws, which are an object in motion will stay in motion unless affected by another force. Force equals mass times acceleration, and for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. I really enjoy the class, and I recommend it for anyone interested in engineering or mathematics.
Our esports regular season ended this week with our Marvel Rivals team ending their season 7th in the Eastern region out of 87 teams. They move on to the postseason playoffs starting next week. Now, let's head over to Ben for a look at today's weather.
Thanks, Logan. Today will be mostly cloudy with a high near 53 and a low of about 38 degrees, with wind speeds being fairly calm today. This weekend looks similar with a high near 61 degrees on Saturday and 42 degrees on Sunday, with a chance of showers Saturday afternoon. Now let's head back over to the news desk with Merrick for a look at today's sports.
Thanks, Ben. We're joined by a special guest here at the sports desk. Welcome, Sadie Dykstra. Sadie, you recently made it official you signed to compete in track and field at the University of Michigan. Congrats.
Thank you.
That's fantastic. We're doing some research on it, but as far as we know, you're the first Yale athlete in recent history to sign to the Big Ten school. Have you received a lot of congratulatory messages?
I have gotten many, very many of them, and it's meant a lot to me.
We know you had several offers in 2 sports. What has helped you choose Michigan?
I had to take sports out of the equation for this one and really just look at how my life goals would align. So I think the fact that Michigan was a great school really helped me decide on going there. So, yeah.
Tell us about events you'd most likely be competing in at Michigan.
So at Michigan, I would be a multis competitor, so that's the heptathlon. I would be competing in the 100 hurdles, 200 meter dash, 800, high jump, long jump, javelin, and shot put. So all of those would be the events that I do. I wouldn't do them all at every track meet, but I would try to train for them all so that when a track meet comes up that I can do them, I would be able to compete in them. All the other track meets would be kind of training days that I can compete against other schools with still and get in that practice.
When did you first think you were going to be really good at track?
Oh, that's a good question. I would say I think it was when I got that first state win my sophomore year in long jump, and then followed up with the 300 meter hurdles. I think that's when I knew that I could do something great in track.
We know you're going to Michigan for sports, but what profession would you like to pursue?
I would really like to get into the College of Kinesiology. It's a very hard kind of route to take. I'm interested in PT. So going into there and taking movement science is something that has sparked my interest.
That's great. Well, congrats again, and we'll be rooting for you.
Thank you.
Thanks, and stay classy, Yale High.